In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Patty Gel by LongHairPrettyNails. So when she dropped this video, I didn't even watch the whole video. I went straight to the description box, clicked the link and bought it because I just knew I had to have it. Like, I've been watching her for years. Her content is fantastic and I've also learned a lot from her. So this was a no-brainer. So this is it. I was so excited for this package to come. It came pretty quickly. I ordered it the day she dropped the video. And I got it on Tuesday, this week Tuesday. But I was so excited for this. I was tracking it like every single day. Like when she posted the picture, of her shipping out like her first set, I kid you not, I tried to zoom in to see if I could possibly see mine, but obviously the addresses were concealed, but I was just really excited. So this kit has 3 polygels. It contains a pink and 2 glitters. And I was mostly excited for the glitters. So I'm just going to swatch these on a paper towel because I figured you're going to see it on my nails anyway, so I don't need to put it on a swatch stick. But when I was swatching these on the paper towel, my camera wasn't really picking up the shimmer and the shine, so I had to use my phone to record another clip so that you could see it a lot clearer. For this set, I'm going to do the Lazy Girl method, aka the Femi Beauty method. But first, I'm going to apply my Macart Peel Off Base Coat. I'm going to be using these full coverage nail tips that I got from Amazon. And I'm going to use 91% alcohol as slip solution. For this set, initially I wanted to use all the colours and have like a colour per nail, but I still wanted it to look good. So when I was looking at the swatches on the paper towel, I was kind of just seeing what would look good. And So Cute and Sweet Life were looking sweet together, so I decided to just work with those 2 polygels. So let's just address the elephant in the room, because I'm sure you've all clocked it by now. You're probably like, where is the brush? And I didn't get the brush because my brushes always end up in a bad way or they end up lost. And it was a really nice brush, but I said, let me do this the cost-effective way. And it's just to get the polygels on its own. And I have a story time actually. Because usually when I'm doing the Lazy Girl method, it's like I'm doing the same thing over and over again. So I might as well just give you a chit chat whilst you're watching this part. But before I give you a story time, my thoughts on this polygel. So my initial thoughts is that it's great. I honestly really like it. It's like Macart's polygel, but better. Like, I don't know, I just was able to work with it with so much ease. And I felt like it wasn't as sticky as some other polygels, but 10 out of 10. Like, I have no complaints. So, story time. This one I'm probably going to be laughing a lot. And the thing is, it's no laughing matter, but I just... it's just funny to me now. But, so I was working earlier on and I took my break. So I went to the kitchen to go find something to eat. I took out my phone and my bank is texting me saying I need to authorize a $4 purchase. Now I'm at home, haven't been on my phone for like an hour. I did not make this purchase. So I'm like, let me go on my bank app. Once I open the app, I'm just seeing purchases. And I said, wait. Like, let me double check these purchases. I'm looking at like where it's from. I'm seeing somewhere called Gym Sneakers. Somebody spending $300 at Gym Sneakers. Then they're trying to spend an additional $150 at Gym Sneakers. And then $411 at what I'm assuming is a gas station, but I'm not quite sure. And then instantly I called my bank and said, yeah, this is not it. Like, I need to block my card. So I called them. I was on hold for like 30 minutes. They were like, oh, we just want to make sure it's like not you. And I said, lady, I have not used my card in 2 days, so I know it's not me. And then she's going on to tell me that this person has spent money at the Apple store. And I said, wow.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
This person is really trying to live large off my bank account. I'm not even living like that. So they transfer me to another specialist who then blocks my card and just asks me a whole bunch of questions. And then she blocked my card very early on in the call. But before we got off the call, she was like, I've just seen on my end that this person has tried to use your card 2 additional times after we blocked it. She was like, this person tried to make 2 $150 purchases to God knows where. It's a good thing she didn't tell me where, because I would have been judging hard, because this person was really trying to get all the drip. All the drip. Like, oh gosh, like, I was so stressed out earlier on because this has never happened to me, and I was like, who is trying to scam me right now? Because I don't have the time for this. Like, I'm thinking that my card got skimmed somewhere, and it got skimmed by some dummies because they had 6 unsuccessful attempts to try and take my money. But it is all good and well because karma is definitely headed their way, and I really hope that they don't try and do this to someone else. But anyways, let me get back into this nail set because I have deviated so much. But as you can see, I alternated So Cute and Sweet Life, and I placed some rhinestones on the fingers that had So Cute on it. How I adhered my rhinestones was I applied a layer of top coat, then I placed the rhinestones where I wanted them, and then I cured them into place. Also, FYI, these rhinestones are from the January Your Nail Lab box. For my ring finger, I decided to do like a swirl line using the smaller rhinestones. So this is what it looks like. Off camera I fixed it a little bit just so that the curve would look a lot better. But then when I was done, I applied some top coat to the rhinestones to make them shine more, and then I applied some top coat to the glitter nails. Next, I'm going to use some cuticle oil. Yes, those were bite marks. Once upon a time, this was stuck shut, so I used my teeth to open it. And I have a really bad habit of opening things with my teeth. I don't know, when it's just hard to open, I resort to that. And I should probably stop doing that before I lose my teeth. So this is the end result. What do you guys think? My camera wasn't picking up how good it looked, so I ended up switching to my phone's camera, and you can just see it glistening a lot more. So to wrap this review up, I'm just going to say I am really pleased with this Polygel kit. I hope she comes out with so many more colors. But that is the end of the video. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.